Hey y'all, welcome to my file folding video. I'm going to show you guys how to do file folding because it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Well, maybe not since sliced bread, but it makes your life so much easier because it's a way of folding your clothes so that when you put them in drawers or in baskets, you can see what clothes are in there and they're easier to put in there. They're easier to pull out. So I've got a pile of shorts here. I'm going to show you how to file fold with them. So I take the shorts and I have them facing me. I understand right now they're facing you, but you don't have to snap them or zip them or anything. Just fold across, and I'm going to turn over the side and then just fold them in half, okay? So let's try that again. All right, fold them across and then fold them in half. And what you'll notice is that as I am folding these, it's going to be the same seam on one side, and that way it'll just look nicer in your drawer. Doesn't really matter from a functional standpoint, but it just keeps it uniform. Now, if you have shorts that are just elastic waist and they don't have a zipper, doesn't matter, same thing. Fold it across and then up. And one more, okay? Fold it towards you and fold up. You can do the same thing with athletic shorts. Doesn't matter how long or short they are, just fold across and then stack up. Now, what's super easy is that when you go to put these back in to your drawer, here's your open space. I just take whatever's already in the drawer, push it to the back, and then just drop the shorts or t-shirts, whatever it is, in. Now, if you decide, hey, I want to actually wear some of these shorts, you pull them out, you play with them, you do whatever, then you realize, no, I'm not going to wear this. So you just fold them back. And then what I think is the easiest is just to push the clothes forward and slide it in the front. That way you don't have to worry about trying to get things back in the same order. You also may have things a little bit more crowded than this, and it's so much easier just to push the clothes forward, drop it in, and then let it go. All right? So now you can see I've got my shorts, and then these are my long pants, and we are good to go.